Isla Vida Travel and Tours. This is Rhea. How may I help you?
Hello? I'd like to ask if you have a 3 days and 2 nights tour package for Siargao.
Yes, ma'am, we do. Our 3 days and 2 nights Siargao tour package includes round-trip airport transfers from Sayok Airport to your hotel, 2 nights hotel accommodation with daily breakfast, an island hopping tour to Buyam Island, Naked Island and Daku Island with lunch included, and a land tour visiting Sugba Lagoon, Magpupungko Rock Pools, and Cloud9 surfing areas. And entry fees, boat rides, and a local tour guide.
That sounds great. How much is the package?
Our rate starts at 6,499 per person for twin sharing. Prices may vary depending on your preferred hotel, but we can customize the package based on your budget.
Do you also arrange flights?
Yes, ma'am. We can assist with your booking affordable round-trip flights and adjust the package for your convenience.
Perfect. Can you send me the full itinerary?
Of course. May I have your email address or messenger so I can send the detailed itinerary, inclusions, and payment terms?
Sure. Here's my email. maryjoy@gmail.com.
Thank you. I'll send it shortly. You can reserve your slot with a small down payment and settle the balance before your travel date.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're most welcome. We look forward to making your Siargao adventure unforgettable.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, and thank you for choosing Isla Vida Travel and Tours.